Hey guys, this is a very quick little life update video. Kind of sad. If you've just randomly stumbled upon this and you don't know who I am, hi, my name is Jade, and I go to an interesting university program where our cohort moves to different cities in different years, and I'm meant to be studying abroad in Seoul, in Korea, in September. And I've been learning Korean for months and like watching K-dramas and just trying to like really get into Korean culture. And obviously coronavirus happened and, you know, it's a pandemic. You know, the hope was not fully there. But I think I'm just like an unfalteringly optimistic person. And Seoul was doing really well. So I really thought I'd get to go. But yesterday I found out that we're not going. Which is okay, it is what it is. Again, I'm not really shocked. I know most people can't go to university this September, or most of it's moved online, or you're going remote. It's like, it's not a rare situation. But yeah, it's just kind of sad. And I need your opinions, because the current situation is I will be going to Seoul. So that's positive. I'm going to be going in January instead, providing everything goes okay with coronavirus. Which means I'm no longer going to India. Like, India looks like it has just been cut out of the equation, which honestly is really gutting as well, because out of the 7 cities, I feel like India was one I was really looking forward to. That's okay. My degree has always been online anyway, so like that's not really an issue. Like, the education isn't really affected, but where I'm gonna be in the world is affected. Minerva has 7 rotation cities, and a few weeks ago I had to declare, if Seoul doesn't go ahead, which of the rotation cities I would potentially like to live in if there were no restrictions and if I could get there and get a visa and all that stuff. So I put London and Berlin, because London obviously makes sense. It's relatively near home. It would be, I don't need to get a visa, it's easier. And then Berlin is relatively near, doesn't really have any visa issues. And now Seoul isn't happening. So I guess I need to work out if I am going to be spending a semester in London, thinking about how the pandemic's going to work from September onwards, and like if most things will be open. Or, guys, I'm going to be living in Berlin from September. Who would have guessed? I don't know, not me. Which honestly would be pretty cool. I don't think I've let myself imagine myself in Berlin, because my heart is in Seoul, but Berlin would be cool. And I feel like there are a lot of Germans here, so tell me more about Berlin. I've been learning Dutch, which is similar enough to German, right? So I don't know, maybe I've been getting a step ahead. I think the main reason this is hard is because I know that this semester I just won't be seeing all my friends, like, for definite, because everyone's international. It becomes this crazy game of a country's politics and the strength of your passport and being able to get visas to different places. And from that point of view, I'm really lucky because I have the option. Obviously London, like, easy. Berlin, pretty much easy. But yeah, the only operational Minerva cities are gonna be Berlin, San Francisco and London. And I'm not going to the US because the US is bad for coronavirus. I feel like I'm absolutely rambling at you, because I am. I'm just trying to like piece together how I feel right now, so I'm sorry if this is just everything. I'm terrified I won't see my roomie. I just miss her so much. We call all the time, and I think she's gonna stay in San Francisco, which is just like, oh, I don't know, you just imagine, right, your university experience in your next semester. I'm saying this because I know pretty much all of you probably have a similar feeling of loss in what you expected and imagined for this year's school experiences. And I don't know, I had this whole vision for Seoul, you know? And it's doing really well with coronavirus. Like, sure, they had a little bit of a second wave, but I really thought it was gonna go ahead. It's just looking so much better than Europe. But yeah, I will not be sharing a room with my roommate. Yeah, and it seems like Berlin is harder for most people to get visas to than London. But I think my year group is gonna end up splitting between Berlin and London, which is like, do I go to Berlin? Do I go to London? I don't know. I just want to be with most of my year group. I just want to be with my cohort. Okay, so I need your help. If you were me, you're British, you have this incredible choice. You can live in London in an apartment with whichever of your friends from your cohort who come to London, live there. Don't know what the restrictions are going to be like, but hopefully most things will be better then. Enjoy a semester exploring London, which honestly will be really cool because I don't live in London, so that'll be like new experiences too. Or do I pick Berlin, which honestly I've never really explored, but again, if coronavirus gets worse and like you're inside, it would be better for me to be in the UK. Sorry, my camera just died. Yeah, I feel like in the UK, I am near home, I can look out for my family. I just want to be where most of my friends are, but I have to choose. And even though we've talked online, I don't know who's gonna get a visa for definite. Like if people apply for Berlin and they don't get it, then they just have to potentially stay home, go remote. I don't know, I'm just in this place of indecision because I have to declare it. Regardless of who can go where and what happens, I have to say either London or Berlin. Maybe I should make a pros and cons list. I don't know, I just, I still want to go to Seoul, which we will in January. But I also want to go to India and we just aren't. I feel like this is just such an unhelpful video of just me rambling. Maybe it can capture some of the frustration that a lot of you probably have felt in this time. If you were me, what would you do? Berlin or London? Thank you so much for watching. I guess we'll see where I end up in September. I hope you're all safe and well, and fingers crossed things go somewhat back to normal in your own academic life in September. Okay, bye.